Yan po. Potential buyer. Saan yan? Saan yan? Saan yan? Circuit? Oh, okay. Sige, bilhin na natin. Hi, Kaden. What are you eating? Shoutout po sa Elwowa. Hi, Cassius. Nakain mo? Sugar? Hi, Luis. Shoutout sa Links. Sa Friday, nasa Links kami, guys. Sana abangan nyo kami doon.
Hindi ka nga, bawal ka nga pumasok.
Nga pala. Double beef. Thank you, kuya.
Garlic side of salty hand.
Oh, thank you. Salamat sa instruction mo, kuya.
Bawal ka nga pumasok. Sabi ko lang ang lecture.
Ano yan? Bash up na ulit. Sige.
I said yes na ngayon, but you have to wait because it's...
Hi guys, kung saan nga may palabas, nandun kami. Manonood kami ng
Inside Out!
kasama si
Eden!
at si Ling Denise. At siyempre si Luis. Yes. Siyempre kasama si Mother. Cassius. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you excited? So, we're ready for the screening, first screening of In and Out.
Inside Out.
Inside Out. Are you excited?
Yes!
Let's get it on. Excited ka din? Yes. Everything is ready. Meron na kaming popcorn, may coffee na kami. Yeah, wala lang kaming kanin. People are getting wild na here. Kakagulo na po yung tao. Nalaman nilang nandito po kami. Ang Team Paangat. Tatawa si Kaden. Kaden, just stay here ha. May mga security tayo dyan para i-secure tayo. Hi everyone. Please give our private space, mga tao, please. Mamaya.
What do you want?
So yun, tapos na po ang movie. Did you like it?
Yes!
Did you enjoy?
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Ang next movie po namin ay sa Cinema 3.
Daddy,
Ha?
Daddy,